If you're experiencing high ping in Red Dead Redemption 2 and want to resolve it quickly, follow these steps to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth, such as streaming services or downloads. This will free up your internet connection for the game. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and provide a more stable connection for online gaming. Step 4. Change server regions. In the game settings, try changing the server region to one that is closer to your location. This can help reduce ping by connecting you to a server that is geographically nearer. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game network settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings can also help if your system is struggling, which can indirectly improve your online experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping in Red Dead Redemption 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.